Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix plugged-in headphone not working on your iPhone. So if you plugged it in and you're not hearing maybe sound, maybe it's not giving you anything, you want to follow these steps. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to check out is that in that charge port, or if you have a headphone, a jack, you want to make sure there's no dust or lint or any kind of debris. Usually you can take something soft bristle like a spudger here. You can go ahead and make sure you take out all the dust. Look very closely. Sometimes over time there's connectors that get blocked with dust, lint, any kind of debris that will block the connection and not work. It may charge, but it may not give you the audio on your headphone. So you want to clean that out. Same with the connection on the headphone itself. You want to ensure that the connection looks good here. If there's a burned out or you're seeing that there's dirt or something, you want to just go ahead and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and clean that out as well. And after you have done that, the next thing to also consider doing is checking the headphones with another device if you can. So if you happen to have another iPhone, maybe a family or friends, just ask them to check it out to make sure that the actual headphones themselves are not damaged or not working altogether. And that could be time to replace the headphones. Now, if that you find out the headphones are working good and it's the connection to your phone, again, the next thing you want to go ahead to troubleshoot, it's going to be going ahead into your iPhone setting here, right? If you're using a plugged-in device where it says Bluetooth here, you want to turn off Bluetooth. The reason why it might be connected to another device where it's sending the sound to instead of routing to your headphones. So you want to go ahead and turn the Bluetooth setting off. And then after you have done that, the next setting you want to check out in your iPhone is going to be sounds and haptics. You want to make sure this ringer that you have here is turned off all the way so you can hear the sounds on your iPhone here. And then go down here where under headphones here that has headphone safety. You want to tap on that and you want to ensure that it is turned off. If you have reduce loud audio, if this setting is turned on, it can reduce the volume and you might not hear it if it's too low. So turn that setting off. And then you want to make sure if you recently had a plugged in adapter here, you want to go ahead and forget all adapters here. So tap on that, and which will, if you recognize the device, will automatically detect it. So you're going to do that as well. They'll be gone, and that way you're going to unplug and then replug that back in. And once you plug back in like this, right here, plugged in, you want to see that volume here, or pull on the control menu here, and make sure you see in this setting here, with the headphones here, it's selected to headphones as well to make sure it is working. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to go ahead and do is unplug it again and then follow this step. We're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button. So I do volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button. Just like that, you're going to keep on holding on to that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So this method will take a few seconds here. So as you can see here, it went completely black. Then I wait for the Apple logo to appear before I let go of that. This is known as a forced restart, which basically shuts down the phone software and reloads the code. Now, if you have an older phone like iPhone 6s or older, you have to hold the home button and the power button as well together at the same time, which is slightly different. But this is what you want to do. Now, if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying this method. Make sure you quickly again press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button. Along with that, also want to make sure this toggle, if you have this turned off, make sure that it's not on silent mode. So turn it upward or press and hold until if you have a button here, you want to make sure it's toggled up so it works as well. Now, if you have done this and it's still not working, the next thing to do is go into your settings here and then go to general, go all the way down here, transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. And the reset that you want to do is reset of all settings here, right here, which will reset things like network related settings, any keyboard dictionary setting, handwriting setting, home screen layout setting, and location privacy setting. It will not delete any of your data like photos, videos, apps. Again, important to do. It takes about a few seconds to do, but important step to do in order to fix the issue. Lastly, if that isn't working, finally it's time to go into your settings, go to general, software update, and update your phone to the latest version if there is an update to rule out that it's not a software bug or glitch from a previous update that might have caused the issue. And hopefully after doing all of this fix, it is working for you. And if simply isn't working for you, it might be an issue with your headphone jack or the lightning port for wherever you plug it in. And if you find out your headphones are good on another device, most likely it's the device. So those are the troubleshooting you want to do. I hope this video will help you. If you found a better way to fix it as well, do share it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.